Hello, in this little video I would like to talk about the reasons why I like to trade Forex or foreign exchange, that is trading currency pairs. And one of the most important reasons for me was that it is possible to get started with a very small account. You don't have to buy expensive shares, and once everything is running as expected, it's never a problem to scale things up. Actually, Forex is very scalable, and if you use a so-called cent account, that makes things even easier for beginners. The Forex market is a very liquid market. That means that you have no problems to buy or sell something whenever you want, around the clock. In less liquid markets, it might be a problem to close a position, because you always need to find a counterpart who wants to buy or sell what you have to offer. And if you trade liquid currency pairs, that is never a problem. Liquidity is a very important thing, and the currency market is a very big market, but there is no CEO, you don't have a board of directors, and you don't need to fear that somebody will declare insolvency. I have never seen a currency pair disappear in the last few years. Therefore, we can expect currencies to be around forever, because currencies are what we all need to buy or sell goods and services. Therefore, currencies will not disappear. For shares, that isn't always the case. If a company does something stupid, the share price might be affected. If you have traded shares in Germany, you might remember the Telekom share that didn't went so well, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money because of emotional reasons. They like to buy shares from companies they like. For example, people who like Apple devices might also want to buy Apple shares. But for currency pairs there is no emotional attachment. I just buy or sell because I want to make a profit. So Forex trading is less emotional. Okay, these are my reasons. Thank you for listening.